somebody is overcome with a sensation of nausea and they vomit during their fast, does this nullify the fast? Is this something, can they resume their fast after the vomit has come out?
Vomiting can either be intentionally or it can be unintentionally. And the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Hadith, it's mentioned in Tirmidhi, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 720. Our beloved Prophet said that a person who vomits unintentionally, he should complete his fast and the fast is not broken. But the person who vomits intentionally, deliberately, then the fast is broken and he has to make up for the fast afterwards. And the same hadith is repeated in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2374, where the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that anyone who vomits suddenly, same thing unintentionally, then he does not have to atone for it. But if someone vomits intentionally, deliberately, he has to atone for it. But the person who does it deliberately, for example, by sticking a finger in the throat, or by pressing the stomach, or deliberately smelling something which is nasty, or looking at food which will make him vomit, and he continues that, then it comes under the category deliberately done. So then his fast is broken, he has to make up for that. But if it comes unintentionally, no problem. But when the vomit comes, he should not swallow the vomit after it has reached the mouth. If he swallows the vomit after it reaches the mouth, it will nullify the fast. So when a vomit comes, he should see that the vomitus comes out. And if it's unintentional, it will not break his fast.